Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth hands-free system in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. First thing, we'll go to settings, we'll go to Bluetooth, make sure it's switched on, it is, then we'll watch out at the bottom. Now, you've got a phone button here, so click phone, select phone. No phone showing. We don't want to delete, but the Land Rover is now showing up here. Click on Land Rover. Use pin 8529 pair. Allow contacts and set favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. It's connected to my phone here. Bluetooth pairing complete. That's how simple it is with a good old-fashioned Land Rover system. It don't come any better than that. That's brilliant.